Welcome to English for Everyone, where we practice real-life American English. Today we're looking at the expression let alone. Let's get started. To understand the expression let alone, we need to see a complete idea. So, example, she is not a good cook. She cannot fry an egg, and she cannot make a big Thanksgiving dinner. So I can say she can't even fry an egg, let alone make a big Thanksgiving dinner. It means she can't do the first thing, and she really cannot do the second thing. We use let alone. Let's talk about pronunciation. When you say let alone, the T is between vowels, so it sounds like a fast D, like water bottle. Let alone, let alone. I can say she can't even make breakfast, let alone a big dinner for the family. So my first example, she can't even fry an egg, let alone make a big Thanksgiving dinner. Let's practice. Can she fry an egg or make Thanksgiving dinner? That's right, she can't even fry an egg, let alone make a big Thanksgiving dinner. Another example. Here's a cat, and the cat wants to go inside the hole to get the mouse. But he can't fit his head in the hole, and he really cannot fit his whole body. So we can use let alone. He cannot fit his head in the hole, let alone his body. He cannot fit his head in the mouse hole, let alone his whole body. Let's practice. Can the cat fit his head or his whole body in the hole? That's right. The cat cannot fit his head in the hole, let alone his whole body. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button, and we'll see you next time.